We can embed 3D view of the house directly into the Voiceflow chatbot. So let me just maximize this view. So this is what your clients can see, or the real estate clients. So we can click this circle to walk around the house. We can also visit photos, watch video of the house, see details, see it on the Google map, change it to maybe this map. So this is amazing chatbot feature that we are going to implement in this course. In this chatbot, I can say, I would like to buy a house in Killa, Montana with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and below 700,000 USD. This is a description to help the user, and it's gonna find this property by this description. And then I can say, watch 3D house tour video, view on Google Maps, for example. And it will show us Google Maps directly in the chat, so I can click this, I can scroll. These are actually working Google Maps. If I click watch 3D house video tutorial, it will embed directly in our chatbot, and so we can watch this. I will just show you. So we can play any YouTube video in our chatbot as well. Buy this course to learn how to make this yourself.